welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really easy origami pumpkin for Halloween. So let's start. First, to make the origami pumpkin, take a 21 cm by 21 cm square orange sheet and fold it diagonally like this. Open it and fold it diagonally the other way. Now fold it in half. Open it and then fold it in half the other way. Now fold it like this, turn it and then push this part inward like this and then fold it. Do the same to the other side. Push it in like this and then fold it. Now take this part like this and then fold it upward like this. And then fold this part down like this. Now fold it back. Then take it from the other side and then do the same. Fold it upward like this. And then fold this part downward just like that. And now you should have something like this. Turn it and then fold this part downward like this. And then fold it back up just like that. And now fold this part upward like this. There we go. And now fold it like this and then fold this part too just like that. Now turn it and then fold this back this way, then the other side back like that. And now open this part and then insert it just like this. Do the same on the other side. Just like this. And now we have almost finished making our origami pumpkin. Now I'm going to draw the eyes, nose and mouth for my pumpkin. So the eyes, that, then the nose, and now I'm gonna draw the mouth. like that. There we go. Now I'm going to color it with my black sketch pen. Like that. The nose. Now the mouth. Now color it. Almost done. Just have to redo this part here. And there. There you go, guys. We have finished making the origami pumpkin. This looks so good and it was really easy making this, wasn't it? You can also stick a green colored paper on top here. It looks more attractive for Halloween decorations. If you like this video, smash that like button and share it with all your friends. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.